In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to replace the paper feed rubber on the Epson L14150 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
At the start of the video, we turn on the Epson L14150 printer and run a test copy. As you can see, the printer initially tries to pick up the paper, but it fails. An error appears on the screen saying "Paper out in Cassette." This means the paper is not feeding correctly, usually because the paper feed rubber rollers are worn out or damaged. In this video, I will show you step by step how to replace the paper feed rubber to fix this issue. In the first step, turn off the printer completely and disconnect the power cable to ensure safety before starting. Now, pull out the paper tray from the front of the printer and then remove the duplex unit from the back of the printer to gain access to the rollers. When you remove the duplex unit, you can easily see the rollers inside. At this stage, keep the printer standing upright. This position makes it easier to remove the rollers without damaging them. Before you start, carefully check that all the ink tank covers are completely closed. This is very important to prevent any ink from leaking while you are handling the rollers. Once everything is secure, you can safely take out the paper feed rollers and continue with the replacement. Be careful to keep the printer balanced so it does not tip over. In this position, removing the pickup roller is very easy and simple. You have the option to fully replace the pickup roller if needed. This can be a good solution when the roller is worn out or damaged. If the cost is not a concern, you can easily purchase a new pickup roller from online stores or authorized Epson printer parts centers. Replacing it ensures smoother paper feeding and prevents future paper jams. As you can see in the video, we are only replacing the pickup roller rubbers because they are worn out. We are not replacing the pickup roller itself. As you can see, you can easily purchase this part called the paper feed rubber for your printer model and replace the worn-out rubber with it. First, remove the worn-out rubbers and then install the new rubbers in their place. This is a very simple and easy task. You just need to be careful to do it correctly. By replacing this part, you can successfully solve most paper jam issues that come from worn-out rollers. The rubber is the main surface that grabs the paper and moves it forward. So when it is worn, the printer struggles to feed paper correctly. In most cases, changing only the paper feed rubber is enough to restore smooth paper feeding. However, if the pickup roller itself is physically cracked or damaged, then the entire pickup roller must be replaced. But if the roller is in good condition, simply replacing the rubber is the most cost-effective and reliable solution. In this part of the video, when it comes to reassembling the pickup roller, it might feel a bit challenging. But don't worry. If you stay patient and follow the steps carefully, you'll definitely be able to put it back together successfully. As you can see, it fits back together smoothly and easily. You just need to pay a little attention while doing it. Now, go ahead and tighten the screw as well. Now lift the printer again so you can easily place the pickup roller back into its position. Now put the printer's duplex unit back into its place. Now, the final and most important step is to turn on the printer and run a test print. Now you have successfully replaced the paper feed rubbers on your Epson L14150. The printer will feed paper smoothly, and most paper jam issues are resolved. Remember, if you want to fix the blank page problem and achieve full-color printing, don't miss our next video. I will guide you step by step to get perfect results. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with Device Doctor for more printer solutions.